Come test drive the 2011 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, tachometer, capless fuel filler system, front suspension type, strut, electronic brake control, roll stability control, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.